We have talked about several usages of the modal verb may, one of them being to express possibility as in, look at the clouds, it may start raining soon. We can also express possibility with may, in the past, just by adding present perfect. For example, sir, I may have found something on the suspect. Well, this young police officer isn't 100% sure that he has found something. He is showing a possibility that maybe he has found something in the past. Just now, I may have found something on the suspect. Let's see one more example. Why aren't Lisa and Derek talking? I don't know. They may have broken up. He isn't absolutely sure that Lisa and Derek actually broke up. He shows the possibility that they may have broken up in the past. If you see present perfect form after may, it means we express a possibility in the past. Okay, that will be it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.